Important updates also in this video today, so make sure to listen closely. And we jump over here. The first one is about the passport, the Gitcoin passport. And what you gotta do? Well, they updated some terms, so I will leave you the Gitcoin passport link down below. Make sure to go and update, make sure to sign again the transactions, and make sure to have your score above 20. Very, very important. There are some new quests like the Holy Name, GTC, Idena, the Gitcoin, verify your code contribution, guild membership, snapshot. So if you've done any of this, make sure to go and do it even more. Make sure to go and connect any other NFT, ZK Sync, Discord, Google, Ethereum, any other thing that can take you above the threshold of 20 points, which is the most important threshold. Next up, let's go and look at the Zora airdrop. Now, the Zora airdrop is an airdrop that is going to be basically based on the amount of NFTs that you mint. I have created my NFT with zero, I take nothing from this. It costs the minimum it can cost in terms of the fees for Zora, which is approximately $2.50. I will leave you the link down below. The more NFTs you mint, the more airdrop allocation you will have, as Zora is mostly NFT. So if one of the criteria is to go and have X number of NFTs or mint X number of NFTs, make sure to go and do this one. It's just a photo of me, one thumbnail that I used there. So if you want to, I will leave you this one link down below. Make sure to go and farm it. As well, I will leave you some others from the official Zora NFT. So there's a bunch that you can mint. And yeah, just mint any one of them. If you mint mine, thank you very much. That would be very cool for you to have them. But make sure to go and check them out. And we will keep track on the Zora airdrop very, very soon, because it is looking very, very promising. Next up, we got the Galxe stacking. Now, a lot of us use Galxe, the Galxe quest, in any protocols. We utilize this one. Well, we got over here a new reward pool of $5 million worth of Arbitrum, ZK, and Mer for the GAL holders and stake of their tokens. So if you do have these tokens, the link will be down below. If you do have this token, if you did receive it from the airdrop back in the days, if you are one of those unique address, make sure to go and do it. I personally never received this. I came in Galxe a little bit late. As we see here, I have 0 Galxe stake, but if you do have them, make sure to go and get them. Make sure to go and stake them, because we got Arbitrum, Merlin, Polyhedra, Network as well for the rewards, which they all gave funding to Galxe. So very, very important. Just go and stake and you will earn some juicy, juicy rewards. Next up, we got the Multisync airdrop. Now, this one is just like Grass, just instead of Grass that you need to leave the application open, etc. For this one, you don't. You simply need to sign up. It is a very early stage, so if you sign up now, you get a 10x multiplier for the future. You also get 50,000 bonus points, so make sure to go and join through the referral link down below. It is an invite-only referral link system, so make sure to go and join me and come and be part of my community. And it is looking very promising. I did find this through one of the Twitter people that I follow, Blur it's called, a very reputable source. It's very, very good thread, and I do trust him on this. So this is the very early stages for all of you to go and join. So it is absolutely free. You simply need to sign up, register the email, and you're good to go. Next up, we talk about the data ownership protocol. Now, with the DOP over here, it is the last hours to mint your road to mainnet NFTs over on Galxe. So if you have the possibility to go and do it, make sure to go to this over here, login, be a space user, as we see following, follow, simply be a space user, absolutely yes. And you gotta be following, and that's it. Now, with the DOP space user, there is a requirement of 600 points as well. What is the thing? Well, if you've done all of these quests over here, which I am missing simply one, and therefore I have 400 or 500 points, if you've done all of them, as we see over here, I did miss only one simple one. This one, which is already ended, was free to earn. You can go and claim this last one. So if you've done it, make sure to go and claim it. Why? Well, because this one will be multiplier for the DOP airdrop once it launches. So if you've done it, if you've been with me to farm the DOP airdrop, make sure to go and claim this Galxe quest, as it is very, very important. Next up, we got a new Stargate vote, as we see over here. The link will be down below. If you still believe in voting, if you still believe, for whatever it could be, go to Stargate. It's a Stargate DAO vote, which is active right now. There's 2 of them. And yes, it could be very important for you to go and vote in terms of a future airdrop possibility. I do have some voting power, so I will go and simply click on sign the first one. which I voted, and then I go back to the Stargate, and there is the other one, there is the second one. So let's go and vote also for the second one, which potentially could be a possibility for a future airdrop. It is absolutely free. You simply need to stake some tokens. If you've done that already, you simply then need to vote and get free possibility of airdrop. We also have other projects. There's not only the Stargate DAO, there's a lot of other projects that you can simply go and join and see whether you like some of them or not, and vote for their ecosystem, which is super important. Next up, you have the possibility to claim the Stark token airdrop as well. If you use the immutable that you are eligible for the Stark airdrop, you can claim your tokens now. You can use the Argent X wallet, which is the one that we had always since day one. I know a lot of people don't like StarkNet and whatever, but there is an airdrop to be claimed. And if you can claim, simply go and do it. It takes absolutely nothing. So I got a few over here, but we can hear Stark airdrop is now live. You can simply click here, Stark provision, bibbidi bobbidi boo. You got all of these things that you can read up. If you're eligible, you will get the airdrop over here, which I once again don't have it because anyway, I didn't even use this one. This is the Immutable, which is a leading platform for building Web3 games on Ethereum. I didn't do it, so it's not a surprise that I am not eligible, but the deadline is June 20th. So make sure to go and do it. If you want, you are able to simply see it through the Argent wallet over here, kind of like what Solana is doing recently. Click and you will be going over there. You got the discovery fees, you got more pages. If you're still utilizing this or you want to utilize it, make sure to go and check it because you never know. Maybe it's a free airdrop that you simply completely forgot about. It's still free money for all of you. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy today's video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel down below. Let me know in the comments what you think about this project, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.